Hi, I'm Michael from DeLonghi, and on this video I'm going to show you how to descale your DeLonghi Dinamica bean to cup machine. You'll know it's time to descale when this appears on there, telling you it's going to take about 45 minutes. But before we do that, we're going to prepare for it. I want you to get the water tap. You'll find that in the box. You'll need to remove your milk carafe. We're going to use 100 ml of DeLonghi descaler. I want you to remove your water filter if you've got one in there. And finally, we're going to use a container, at least 2 litres, to actually catch the water that comes through the process. So now we've got everything ready, I'm going to press OK. The machine is actually telling me to pour descaler and actually place water into the water tank. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do 100 ml of descaler and I'm going to fill it up to a level B on the tank, which is roughly around about a litre. First of all, I'm going to take away the excess water I've already got before I even put my descaler and my fresh water in the tank. So we're going to take our 100 ml of descaler. I'm going to place this into the tank first of all. I want to top this up with some fresh water. We want to go to level B, and on the side of the tank, it's just around about here. So my water and descaler are now in the tank. I'm going to place this back into the machine. I'm going to press OK. The machine is now telling me to empty the drip tray. I'm going to place this back into the machine. Once I've done that, I press OK. The machine's now telling me to place a 1.8 litre container underneath the spouts. Once my container's under the spouts, I'm just going to press OK. Our descale process is underway. This can take up to 45 minutes. Please don't worry if there's any pulsing or pausing throughout this. It's completely natural. So now stage 1 is complete. The machine's telling us to rinse the tank and fill with water. Before we do this, I'm going to move the container. I'm going to take out the tank and I'm going to rinse both. Now I'm going to put some fresh water in here. I don't need any solution. I'm going to take this one up to the max line, not the B line that we had before. I'm going to place on the lid and I'm going to put this back into the machine. I'm going to press OK. This is now asking me to put the container underneath the 2 spouts like before. So now I'm going to press OK and this will start the rinse process. This could take some time, so don't worry if there is pauses in between pulsing of the water. It says rinse confirm. So our rinse cycle is now complete. Just a note, I've done this twice. So I've done one time with descaling solution, and then I've done 2 separate rinse cycles to get me to this point. It's asking me to empty the drip tray. First of all, I'm going to move the container. Now I'm going to remove the drip tray. So I've cleaned my drip tray. I'm going to put it back into the machine. And once I've done that, I'm going to press OK. Descale complete. Now all I have to do is refill my tank to the max and I'm ready for a good coffee.